Good morning, Saturday. Yeah, it's Saturday. Pero may classes si Arella because we still have exam. Ito talaga. Ngayon lang naman, tsaka shorten lang naman. Good in your exam, Remember what we review, okay? Think carefully before you answer, okay?
Wait lang, my bag.
Andiyan yung baon mo, baka maipit. Yan, the sun is shining. Late na lumabas si Haring Araw. Bye-bye, say bye. Rela. God bless.